Hey guys, I'm really excited because today I'm getting a brand new Panasonic Lumix Camera. Really excited. So here we go guys, my brand new Panasonic Lumix DC-FZ82 camera, which I got from Argos today. Oh, I've been waiting for this camera since the summer. At last, finally got my belated birthday present. I've been waiting for this day. So yeah, I'm going to unbox my brand new camera. Oh. So yeah, I'll put it there. Don't squash my SD card. That came separate, by the way. But here, there we go. That's my brand new camera. Really cool, isn't it? Better than my old Panasonic DC-FZ82 I'm using to record. Yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, awesome. Spanking new too. Yeah, that cost me £299.99. Then, well, in total, because the SD card came separate, £316.98. So yes, quite a lot of money, but saved up, and yeah, well worth the money, I say. So yeah, it's come with the parts inside, so like with the charger, which by the way, don't have to use, like, hang on, I'll show you a sec. These AAA's with this camera I'm using, well, my old camera, have to keep changing the batteries every now and again. With the new camera, it's a rechargeable, so yeah, it makes life a lot easier. Anyway, so yeah, so the instructions, it says 4K photos, but yeah, hopefully recording won't be 4K, because I know 4K is great for high definition, but 4K does come out with like bendy videos, like with YouTube it goes a bit bendy, so obviously I have to try and sort the settings out to try and get it down to 380, because it overlaps if it's 4K. So here goes the charger, leads, it's probably it's like a belt. Oh, maybe that's to tie around my waist, maybe, I don't know. Early days yet. Oh, new oh no, that's to cover up the lens, to stop like the lens from getting damaged. Yeah, we try and be careful not to blur the lens, you know, like, yeah, so I don't want to, well, I'll have to give it a wipe every now and again probably. Yeah, look, that's gorgeous, beautiful. So like, I'm zoomed as far as 21 times octa-pull illusion. With the new camera it will be 60 times that octa-illusion. But I can't pronounce that word. Octa-illusion. You know what I mean. Oh yes, another thing, you can also flick up the camera flasher, which does it automatically. There you go. And does it go down automatically? No, you have to press it down. But yeah, have a demonstration. Just press that button. Out comes the flasher. So yeah. So yeah, there you go. 60% optical illusion. Woo! Hey. I want to tell you a secret. I did have a crush on this. Well, you know, we all have crushes on something, don't we? Devices, woman, anything, animals, enthusiasm. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on charge, so that going like that. And that should be charging. Yeah, there's a red light. There you go. So once that's charged, we'll try it out. Because the SD card's all in. So yeah.
Put it near me.
For the last month.
Hey, look, we're up and running.
Flown in and
Whoa.
by drone. They've been fed.
Wow, look at the quality. It's so clear.
Now
I'm going to zoom it in. Look how far that zoom can go.
Rescue the dogs to
Hey!
That's a really daring, difficult rescue mission.
Back.
We'll have to see if that is successful or not.
Truly extraordinary pictures, aren't they? Not so pleasant though if you
Let's test the Chinook helicopter then. Wow, so clear, isn't it? The quality. Look how clear it's coming out. It's awesome, isn't it? Well worth the wait. I'm already loving my brand new Lumix camera already. Okay guys, see you next time. Peace.